Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make this butterfly knife. It's so easy. Let's get started. Don't mind my tricks. Anyways, let's get started. So you need this 1 by 15. You need two of these 1 by 13. You need these things, these pins, and you need these loose pins. You need two T Lego pieces. You need this 1 by 3. Alright, you're gonna take this T piece, you put the loose pieces on top, like so. So now, if you have that, you want to place the handles on the 1 by 13 handles. If you place that, you gotta place the other one. So something like this. Alright, now you want to place these pins, like so. Okay, and bop. Place them like that. Now you want to take your blade and you want to place the wrong way. Okay, you want to place them like this. Make sure two of those holes are at the bottom. So let me show you. Can I hurry up? Okay. So look at this. See the two holes? It has to be like that. Alright. If you done that, now you want to place the other T part at the top. So it's gonna look something like this. Make sure you loosen those T parts a little bit or else it will be way too hard to, open and close them and do tricks. Now you want to take a 1 by 3. Now you want to place this black pin inside. You can take this pin. Look, you can take that pin or you can use this red pin, which is a little bit smaller. Alright, now I'm just gonna use this pin. Alright, let's place it in. Now that's gonna act as a lock for your butterfly knife. So I placed it in. And yeah, boom, you're pretty much done. Congratulations for your brand new butterfly knife. Please subscribe. Okay, I really like it. Okay, alright, that's it. So now you want to take your blade and you want to place the 1 by 13 handles. If you place that, now you want to place the 2 T parts at the top. So it's gonna look something like this. Make sure two of those holes are at the bottom. So if you done that, now you want to place the other T part at the top. So